Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, blah blah blah. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing my very first month on Hormone update. If you guys want to hear about all the changes that I've been going through this month, go ahead and just keep on watching. Ooh, well guys, welcome back. Everyone get seated, get started. We got a few things we're gonna talk about, a few things to address before. First of all, what happened to September? Where did September go? Honestly, I feel like September just went by. It was here and then it was gone. But I was so busy for September. All these birthdays, I got a Halloween Horror Nights pass. I went Halloween Horror Nights every single weekend in September. My pass finally expired for October, which is sad because I love horror stuff. And it's just, I'm sad that Halloween's almost over. It hasn't even came yet, but I'm sad that it's October and it's almost Halloween. And all this stuff's gonna, you know what I mean. Anywho, we're going to talk about hormones, but first, excuse the fact that I don't have a backdrop, there's just a wall. Ignore the fact that the wall is dirty, okay? We're going to ignore that because it doesn't matter right now, okay? We're here for a hormone update, not the wall. It's Daisy's birthday happened. I let her use the backdrop. I still haven't gotten able to put it up. Actually, I've just been lazy to put it up. So, we don't have it right now, so who cares? There's just gonna be like a quick video of letting you guys know what's happened this month. Not a whole lot has happened, let's be honest. No, not anything crazy, but there has been some changes. Also, let's ignore this brow. I don't know, it's a little messed up. I don't not like the brow pencil I'm going through now. But anyways, let's talk about the hormones. Okay, so, anywho, it's officially been 1 month on hormones. Let's talk because there's been some changes, but then nothing crazy. No, I haven't got the boobies yet. It's nothing too crazy. So the first thing that I'll have to say is that my skin is getting a lot smoother, a lot clearer, a lot softer. Like, I can just see it like getting smoother compared to how it was before. I just have a lot of like acne scars over here. You guys would always see the texture. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems to just be like going away. Stop. But it seems to like just be going away. My skin's like just getting a lot smoother. My body skin's getting a lot smoother too, and I love that. Also, my hair has been feeling like a lot healthier. I already take care of my hair like crazy, but it's been feeling like just a lot nicer. The tatas are not, of course they haven't grown or anything. They're starting to get sore, like I'm starting to feel like it's just a tad bit, not too much, nothing crazy. It's just like, they're starting to feel like, oof, like I'm pushing them, it's like, you know what I mean? It's not like they hurt to the touch, but they're starting to like get sensitive. I can start seeing like, my hair growth. It's not like a crazy amount, but I have noticed it getting slower and me not needing like to shave as often. I mean, it's not like a crazy amount. Maybe it's like a day longer, but it's something. My emotions now, let me tell you, I am just starting to be an emotional roller coaster, and it's weird because like I used to watch like true crime stories. I used to like look at them and watch them, and I'd be fine, totally just like I'd be just all into it. And like now I'll be listening and watching them and really getting into it, and I'll be getting sad. And like sometimes I'll start crying, and like that's not me like at all. Like normally I'm just like kind of like a rock to it all. I'm just way more sensitive. I like cry to like a lot of movies now, and it's crazy, especially since I work at elementary school. The other day they put on Lion King for the kids, and I'm over here crying, and it's like, get it together. this is gonna maybe TMI, but I go pee a lot more now. Like, I'm always thirsty and always gotta pee. And it's like, maybe it's just the estrogen and all that, but honestly, that's basically it. That's all that's new. Nothing else is like really like, I know you guys probably like, oh, that's it. It's gonna be slowly, and it's just the first month, and I can already, like, every day it's like I feel like something's new, but it's not like something crazy. So, but yeah, that was just a quick little update letting you guys know how everything's going. Do you see anything different? I don't think anything's different from the last time we seen each other, besides I beat my makeup. But I think that's it. And everything going on. Since I started, I'm taking everything twice a day, in the morning and the evening. I'm taking 2 milligrams in the morning and the evening, so I guess it's like 4 milligrams a day. 100 milligrams of my testosterone blockers. I'm not saying this so you can self-medicate. I'm just letting you know what I get from my doctor. Don't use that as an excuse to self-medicate. That's a no-no. But anywho, that's what I'm taking so far. So I'm on 1 month. The 3rd month is when I have to actually go and get like blood work done. Maybe I'll do like a little bit of vlogging like outside of it. I'm getting blood work done and just, I don't know. Just keeping you guys all in the loop and everything of my transition. Keep you guys really just with me. Let you guys see all of it. I'm really trying to be open. You guys know the phone. Well, I'm sorry, I'm just feeling this makeup and I'm feeling myself. I really am. And I totally just scared myself. That's it, today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't any too much. I know it was a short little video, nothing too crazy. If you want to subscribe and like the video and share it, I will be coming back every month and letting you guys know new things that have been happening with the hormones. And then by next year, hopefully, we will be doing videos of my surgeries. I have been working at looking at where I want to get my surgeries done at. I've been looking at the doctors. I've been looking at prices and all that. And I'm thinking of starting a GoFundMe. And if I do start a GoFundMe, no one should feel like they're obligated to donate. It's only if you want to. You don't have to. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this guys gave you some information. Remember, don't just dream your life, but live your dreams.